Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are here again for the new smartwatch from ITEL, the ITEL Storm Ultra or the ITEL O23 smartwatch. And as you can see here, the model name for the smartwatch is ISW O23. On this video, we are going to pair it with its support app. So it is using the iPulse application that is available on Android and iOS. So if I'm not mistaken, the app is a new application for the ITEL smartwatches. Okay, so we are going to download it from Google Play Store, install it in our Android smartphone, and pair it with the Storm Ultra. So if you are having a hard time pairing your Storm Ultra with its support app, watch this video as we will have a step-by-step process on how to pair the Storm Ultra with the iPulse application on Android smartphone. Again, the support app is the iPulse. Okay, so let's try and download the app on the Android smartphone. So we have here our Android smartphone. So let's begin. So let's search the application on Google Play Store. Okay. Recently, we already paired our smartwatch with the support app. So we are going to do it again. iPulse. Okay, so as you can see here, just 10,000 download. Let's know more about this application. Released when? January 26, 2024. Okay, just a year ago. Okay, so let's install the application. Tap on install. It will download the app. Then, of course, it will automatically install it in our Android smartphone. So let's wait for it to finish downloading and installing. Okay, 100%, and it's now installing. So let's wait for it to finish. And it's now done. So let's open the app. Okay, again, this application is available on Android and iOS platform. So let's open it. Then we have here, welcome. Okay, agree to privacy policy and user agreement. Then try it now. Okay, so let's set, or maybe we can just skip it. Let's skip it this time. Okay, then got it. Okay, background running of app. Okay, so this is just temporary, so we'll not set it. But if you want to use the app for your smartwatch every day, you can use it, or you can set it to run in the background to avoid any issues. We have here our first permission here, physical activity, will allow it. Then after that, let's tap on devices. Tap on add. Please log into your account for personalized workout. Log in. Okay, I have read. So we will use our account to log in. We'll use our email. Okay, so we'll log in first, then we'll get back to you. Okay, so finally we were able to sign up and have an account for the application. So we have here our permission, access this device location while using the app, allow iPulse to find, connect. Okay, nearby devices will allow it. Okay, please turn on location to connect devices. So we will activate it, then go back, activate the Bluetooth connection. Let's check. Okay, already activated. Then let's proceed to adding our smartwatch. So we have our ITEL ISW O23. So let's check it here. Settings. Let's verify if it's our smartwatch. About, version, and we have here the MAC address. Okay, so this is our smartwatch. Tap on it. connecting the current device. Please try again later. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish pairing. Okay, we have an update, not now. And as you can see here, we are paired with the ISW023. Okay, pair for the Bluetooth call. Okay, later we will set this up. Then check for the push notifications. Let's activate some apps here. Okay, you need the permission, turn on. Let's look for the app, activate this, then allow. Okay, go back. Then you can use some of the apps here. For messages, let's see. Okay, so everything is okay now. Here for push notifications. The next, call notifications, we will allow it. Allow. Then access to your contacts, allow it. And we can manage phone calls. Okay, then go back. Okay, as you can see, we do have a quick reply option, so we will allow it. So you have an option here to set or to change some of the quick replies, as you can see. Okay, and go back. Other settings, raise to wake, awake time, all day heart rate monitoring. Will not set it. We'll set this to 12-hour format time. Then okay, so everything's okay here. Okay, so that's it for the pairing of the ISW023. So we got the basic setup. We activated some of its features, including the Bluetooth call, as well as the push notifications. And of course, we set the time and other options for the wearable. So that's it for our tutorial for the ITEL Storm Ultra Smartwatch ISW023. So very easy setup. Okay, and as you can see here, we are connected and seems like it is stable so far. Again, if you have any questions regarding this video tutorial for the pairing of 023 with the iPulse app, drop a comment below, and of course, support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Bye!